Welcome to Color Factory Kids, where we believe that art should be fun and it should be easy. And today, if you follow along, we're going to take a simple square. We're going to take a simple square and draw a flying fish. Isn't that cool? Flying fish. So Remy has a little, before we get too far in there, she has a little bit of did you know about flying fish. So Remy, tell me about flying fish.
Did you know that flying fish could fly 20 feet high?
What? 20 feet high?
Yeah.
How far is that? Is that like super far?
It's all the way to the top.
Oh my gosh, that's that's pretty high. So if you follow along, we're going to break this down into a couple of shapes. The basic shape, when I first see the flying fish, is a square because you see the wings. And then within that frame, we're going to start with an oval. But like always...
Hey, you got in front of me.
Yeah, make a square.
You didn't even tell me to start yet.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm sorry. I got excited because you were going to tell me about how far the fish could fly. So we have a square. And within that square, we're going to do an oval. Look at this oval. All right, so now we have that shape down. Oops. And that is our basic shape. So we know that the fish is going to stay within these parameters of the box. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the wings. And look at the way I'm going to do it, Remy. To make sure that the wings are even, look at what I'm going to do over here. I'm going to start from the top. And I'm going to come all the way across.
Like
even
we did with our brother.
Yeah, look, even across here. So I even went across the oval. This way, I assure that my wings are the same. They fall in the same place. So start with a line and do kind of a curve and go all the way across to the other side, to the bottom. Perfect.
No.
That's okay. Just keep following down. Follow your line. And now we have the basic outline. Keep going all the way to the corner. Perfect. Now you come up. Beautiful.
Mine looks too bad.
Beautiful. I love it. So you see, now we have the basic shape.
I don't like mine.
That's okay. By the time you finish, you always surprise me because you start something and then you add a little bit of your flair to it. And by the time we're done, you're going to like it.
I would do the other wing.
Do the other wing. So what I'm going to do the bottom part of the, look at the tail. Because even at the tail, it looks like it has some wings, right? So look at what I did down here, Remy. So I came all the way to the bottom and I added a little strip. Yeah, there you go. And then at the bottom, it has a couple of more wings.
I'm going to do a little polka dot.
Come there. And then you already got ahead of me and you put these wings right here. So I'm going to add these wings.
It looks like there's some wings on the side of the tail.
This is pretty cool. I've never seen like real flying fish, but I've seen like in cartoons.
I saw it.
So then up here, we have to kind of change the shape to this a little bit. And it kind of has a point to where
its noses.
the nose, yep. And that, you notice the way it's kind of pointy in the front? You know why it does that?
Why?
So it can swim faster. Because it has to get some speed to be able to fly up in the air. Ooh, this was pretty cool.
Mine is better.
Yours is better.
I like those eyes. I'm going to copy it.
Yeah, you don't have to do them like mine. So here is the basic shape. Here's the basic shape. I'm going to remove this line that I did across for right now. And we have the basic shape of the fish. And today's tools, because the flying fish is such a colorful fish, we have several different colors. So Remy, what tools are we going to use today? We have
a pencil.
What is this here? A sharpener. We have a No, this is not the sharpener. What is this?
It's an eraser.
An eraser.
My mouth looks
I'm just making sure you're paying attention. And then these things, what do we call these things? Spoons?
Colors.
Great. Like markers. So we have kind of the same colors because the fish itself is very bright, colorful fish. And Remy was telling me earlier that they fly to, or they swim together as a team, right?
Yeah.
And do they all fly up at the same time?
Yep.
Wow. And where'd you learn this? Octonauts, probably?
Octonauts.
Octonauts.
I learned everything.
Octonauts is pretty sharp. The wings, they're kind of transparent, so I'm not going to outline them in dark. I'm going to leave them just the color of the wings so they can kind of have a little bit of that transparent look.
I'm going to get this kind.
You're going to use that kind? But the fish itself will have an outline. So we're going to go and outline the fish.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And once we do that, we'll come back and erase the pencil marks. Now that we're coming to the end of this, we're going to do one last thing. Remy's going to add some water as the fish is coming out of the water, which is pretty cool.
Because my wings are open.
Yeah, because the wings are wide open, which means it's flying. So I'm going to give you a blue marker.
I already have blue in mine.
Oh, you can use that one. And then I need to erase my square.
I need it a little darker. I dropped it.
That's okay. Finish doing what you're doing. Remy, do you know what flying fish eat?
Yeah.
What do they eat?
Fish food.
Fish food?
Or maybe fish.
Maybe other fish? Or turtles? I like turtles. Hey, Remy, would you rather be able to fly out of the water or swim as fast as a flying fish?
Fly out of the water, out of the world.
Out of the world?
Fly out of the water.
That's pretty high. I don't know if we can find you at the pool if you do that. Well, it looks like we're done. So what's the last thing we got to do to make sure people know that we're done? Oh, you need to erase your square.
Just see that.
And while she erases, I want to make sure to tell you guys, we have gotten so many people following us, and we've gotten some notes. We've gotten a lot of new friends from around the country and actually around the world, which is pretty exciting. But we want to thank you guys. And if you like what we're doing, please subscribe. We will continue to put out some products for you guys that you like. We've got some really exciting things coming. The next time that we do this, I think we're going to do something pretty special. So follow along. And if you have any comments or any ideas that you'd like for us to see, to draw, to kind of help you along, drop us a line. Go to our social media. We'll have our Facebook and TikTok and all that stuff. You can find us there and leave us messages as well. So we're about, Remy's about, she already did her water, which is pretty cool.
I'm going to color.
You're going to color the whole thing? So I'm going to sign mine, Remy. I'm going to let people know that I am done with mine.
I'm not.
You're not?
I'm doing water.
You're doing water?
Yep.
Well, I am donezo with mine. I think that's about as much as I can do on mine. And this was pretty simple when you think about it. The basic shape of it was just like a cylinder. Then we added the wings. But the fun part was in the coloring. So if you notice at the beginning when we did this, It took us about 1 minute to sketch it out, and then we spent all the time really having the fun stuff, putting the detail on there with the color and stuff. Said that, Remy, why don't you tell your friends to follow us and tag along and enjoy the ride with us.
Follow along and subscribe there, but
Thank you guys. Be kind to each other, and we'll see you next time.